In a scathing rebuke, it's India's Ministry of External Affairs that has rejected Canada's Foreign Interference Commission report, which has painted India as the second most active country in foreign electoral meddling after China, Radhika.
That's right. In fact, New Delhi fired back, turning the tables and accusing Canada of chronic interference in India's internal affairs, creating a breeding ground for illegal migration and organized crime. Maha has the details. In fact, according to the Commission, intelligence suggested that shadowy figures may have covertly funneled money to Canadian politicians in an attempt to sway elections. Let's, in fact, get you the details.
India's response came pretty quickly, where India said that it not only denies these allegations, but also said that, in fact, it is Canada that has been interfering in India's internal affairs. And this is an argument that India has been, in fact, holding not from the Niger issue, but from the time when the farmers' protest took place. And you remember that Prime Minister Trudeau at that time had made a statement, and that time too India had said that Canada should refrain from making any comments about India's internal issues. So this is the response of the Ministry of External Affairs now to this report that has been put out, this report by the Commissioner Hogue. And this investigation or inquiry has been carried out for almost a year now, Parameshwar. There were 100 witnesses whose testimonies have been recorded in this. And this follows a report last year that came out in June, which was by the intelligence watchdog in Canada. This report tones down some of the points that were made in the earlier report, but still holds China and India as two of the responsible parties for having allegedly tried to interfere in Canadian election process. And it, however, said that the outcome of the elections were such that they could not make any impact on that. However, after this report, India, as we have just pointed out, has responded to this, saying that this is something that is that India denies.